you. We start here with Hannah. Hannah! Hannah!
Hey, Oreo.
Hi guys, this is our sheep video.
Can you remember what jobs we've got to do today?
I do.
Yeah.
So first of all, we've got to clip some bums because they got dirty, like this one. You turn around.
So why do you think a few of these have got dirty bums? What's happened?
They'll get maggots.
Yeah, but what's happened to cause the dirty bums? What, have they had a habitat change or a lifestyle change?
They've been inside and they've lied.
Yeah, because we've got these out the field, haven't we? So they've come in from the field and they've got changed the diet, haven't we? They're now eating hay and a few little units. So.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes. And we go in now. And we're going with a white one and a black one.
Yeah, then, there's quite a few pet ones in here, isn't there?
Yeah, there.
And then some of the ewes have got in with Mummy's dog sheep, haven't they? The Hebs. So we've got to split them up.
Yeah, they're out there.
Yeah, they're right over there somewhere. Over there somewhere. Oh, there they are actually. They're at the gate. That should be easy. So we're going to go and grab all of those in and split them up in a little while. But first of all, I'm going to insert these bottoms. Yeah, that's one mucky bum.
These are the pet ones too.
Right, let's go.
She's licking the dust off in the handle.
Starving. Don't drop them on the floor, darling.
Put them in here.
Oh, Daisy's down.
Daisy's down. She's attacking you. Pancake was attacking.
Is Pancake getting you?
Camera was attacking.
So these ones here are all our ones that we've bottle fed.
They're attacking Prim.
Are they getting you, Primmy?
Come here.
So what's the names, Lil? That's Fluffball.
We've got a pancake.
Pancake.
And then we've got it. Where's Caramel? Here.
Caramel. This is Daisy's bottle lamb. Oreo.
Come here.
Has Caramel got a dirty bum? Why Daisy's got hold of her? No, is she alright?
Yeah, she's alright. Daisy, let go.
I think popcorn is.
It's Bumpy who's got a dirty
Bumpy.
bum.
Bumpy's bum's dirty. Right, let's go.
Yeah.
Caramel's escaping.
Give me the nut.
Come on, Caramel.
You want the nuts? You got to come back in. Mummy, let's pull them in. Catched him.
So we don't want to take much off, we're just going to get the worst of it off. Put 9 down each side and do the tail. Almost, girls. Woo! Jump the tree. Go on, Lil. Okay, break. Steady, Lil. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job, well done.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. You go. You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
Yeah.
So obviously this time, this is a ewe lamb, so we've got more bits that we have to be careful we don't capture. If she doesn't settle, we'll tip her on her bum, but while they're so little, it's just as easy to stand them up. Right.
Oh, the friends are bearing. Hannah will say, what happened to you two? Mango. looking at you, Cowabell. Yes, I'm looking at you.
That'll do.
Go on, Booty.
So what we doing now, girls?
Just checking if any of them got a dirty bum.
Nice, steady walk round, don't... Oreo's bum's nice and clean. That's a clean booty. They all should be okay, because now they're all right, because they were all sheared. They were all sheared as lamb. Don't scare them.
Cameron has a dirty bum.
No, hers is all right. Primrose, enough, darling.
So we gave this as a treat. Now, we didn't just buy it for them to eat it. It was our Christmas tree.
Oh my
We went
goodness.
through an adventure to the lounge, to the kitchen, to the dining room, to outside in the arena, into here.
And Santa left lots of presents under it for us, didn't he?
Yeah. And Ma got lots of presents. And we got lots of presents.
Did anyone get a lump of coal?
No.
You
We were all good.
were all good. You're all such
Daddy
good
got a
girls. No, he did not.
We got a good.
That's the best present at all, a cuddle off his girlies.
What did you?
Right.
I think now it's time.
Next
to
job.
get Rosie to help us.
Should we get Rosie to help us?
Yes. They can eat it and sleep on it.
Well, yeah, we need to put some
That's the same
hay
with Dotty.
feed, don't we? Hay
It's
racks
the same
in.
with Dotty.
Oh no!
Dotty
Clean
sleeps
it
in
out.
the hay too. She spreads it everywhere.
Yeah, we need to get finished in here.
Yes. Oh, we're going to put some hay racks.
Yeah, we need to put some hay racks up because
We're still going to sleep on it because it's just shaking.
you can tip that out so we can give them
Don't-
fresh.
Don't dip it out there.
Yeah. Ice baby.
Ew.
As Mushy's come to visit us. It's frozen, sweetheart.
Let's finally go and get those sheep. You can see them, little black dots and white dots. Zoom in. Mummy, Caramel's escaping!
Oh, not again! Stop giving the nuts for me.
So what have we made here, Mummy? Mine called
This entrance.
Mine called Lizard. We're going to close that entrance. Mine called it goes into the yard. Mine called Elizabeth. Okay. Then we have this. We're going to close that up. I got Elizabeth. What called Elizabeth?
We're going to put a gate on here.
Yes. So we close this up. What's happened to you, Daisy? Is it came untied? Yeah. Okay. So there's going to be a gate here at some point, like that one. So this will make do for now. And then, so we're just going to film. Hi Rosie, are you excited to get your sheep? Rosie's being in dog training, haven't you, Rosie? Yeah, and Mummy's learned how to do the whistle.
We're getting there.
Yeah. Oh, with Rosie. I have. me and Prim have. We were with Daddy while he was doing it. Daisy hasn't though. Rosie! Wait, girl. So Daddy's done all this fencing. Now, you'd think, why is that pole so wobbly and so tall up? Because it's not actually a fence post. I know how to do it. We unhook that. Primmy's going under the fence.
Mine called Linda.
Primmy just went under the fence.
Mine called Linda.
And then if we open this up,
This is Linda. Mine on Linda. Mine on Linda.
Shush. So we open this up. Up.
what we need is a post here to attach it to.
Yes.
But we'll have to fold it all the way back so no one gets tangled in it. Primmy, please leave Rosie alone.
Primmy is too keen to be a sheep farmer, is she? And I can't see. Look, I can barely see. So we'll just put that back.
Caught up in that.
Yes. Why do you hook it to the fence? So then it doesn't move as much.
Bobby.
Hello.
Oh, did you have a Bobby?
She's. My whole things came down.
We have the back seat, Rosie. Like.
That's how mine did it. I did. No. I did. No. I did. No. I did. This is mine on the side. Like this. And yours like that. And you put it together like that. Make one leg out and one leg in. Like that. No. My foot sticking out right here. No! Well,
Now sit down.
yeah. That's how I sitting. That's how I
Daisy, stay still. You're going to scare the sheep.
This is how I sitting.
Let's move back, guys. Wait, just stay still. Stay still. Don't move. Whatever you do, don't move. Shit.
It didn't ding me. Shouldn't I take my glove off and touch it?
So it turns out we didn't really need it open, though. We're going to put them in there, aren't we? We're going to put them in there so we can do some more training with her, aren't we?
So we're going to leave this video here and we're just going to leave you with some final clips of Rosie working for Hebridean. So on the day that we filmed this was actually the first time that I'd ever attempted to do this exercise with her, and she, oh my gosh, just did amazing, what you'll see. This little dog blows me away.